instead of waiting a month to get a quote on your kitchen, your bathroom vanity, your cupboards, you can come in and within 5 minutes, Patrick can have a quote that we will stand by for your cabinet quote.
When we got into this, we very quickly got immensely backlogged in quote requests. We struggled with that reality. The outcome was looking like it was going to take us months to get back to people with just basic pricing, and that was just not okay.
We're trying to do things differently here. So we went to the drawing board, mapped out everything.
Rewrote the rule book, basically. We spent a lot of time and effort building a very complex algorithm to price out these kitchen renovation jobs and new construction jobs. So you'll come in the door, you'll explain the footprint of your kitchen. I'm going to ask you some basic questions. You know, how tall are your cabinets? What are your trimmings like? Do we have a crown molding on top? What are you doing on the underside? I'll show you some examples in here. And as soon as I have that information, it's not even 5 minutes. It's 30 seconds.
Yeah, just punch the numbers in, about 15 variables there to go in, and then based on all the different variations that we could come up with, out comes a price that we will stand by.
Yeah, exact price, and we'll honor it. And you can go to the bank, literally, and get a line of credit based on that number. A renovation you're planning or a new build, you will have an exact number you can leave with today in just a matter of minutes. Yeah.
So the only thing that would change that number is if you change the length of your cabinets or you change the configuration. And instead of it taking another month for you to get that design redone or that quote redone, you can now take another 5 minutes, get a new quote that's updated to that. But for the most part, if your kitchen length configuration is the same, it's the same price as what we quoted. And then if you do want the full design for Patrick, build the whole thing out in the computer program so that you can visualize it, virtually walk through it, that's just a $100 deposit. And if you do end up doing a kitchen with us, we'll just credit that $100 toward your purchase.
We're not charging for that design. No. It's just to make sure that we can offer, when we get to that level of detail, we want to make sure that every detail is perfect for our clients. The cabinets are in the right places, the styles in the right places. It all matches up with what you're looking for. And to offer that level of service,
so that everybody that we have, we know, cool, they've seen the price. They're not going to be surprised by the price once they get the design back. They know the price going in, and now it's just figuring out the full list of trim and cabinet styles and everything that's going to go into making your kitchen what you want.
And I mean, if you do change your mind, bang, 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 we can change it around. Well, here's a new price, just like that. At least it's something you can come in, get a number today on the spot, and leave knowing that that's an accurate number you can work with, right?
We ran this all of last week and a little bit before that, and people have really, really enjoyed that process. We'd love for you to come in, get a quote if you're interested.
Check out our amazing cabinets. They are, I think, the best value of any cabinet you're going to find anywhere.
We'll see you soon.